In this video, we'll show a few practical craft ideas. Watch this video and learn how to use them in your DIY projects. Nothing lasts forever. Even the headphone covers have disappeared somewhere. Let's make the ear cups for vacuum headphones from a regular foam sponge. Cut off an oblong piece from the sponge. Give the foam rubber a cylindrical shape. Cut the cylinder in half. Make crosscuts. Insert the headphones into the ear cup. Soft foam pads isolate your ears from extraneous noise and improve the sound quality. Insert the headphones and sing along. You need to write an essay, but just can't wait to watch one more video on your phone? We don't know how would Caesar multitask in this situation, but we are going to need a plastic card and a candle. Heat up the card and bend it in multiple places, just like this. Now we can attach the card to the laptop and insert the phone into the holder. Enjoy your favorite show, but don't forget about your essay. What's this? An eyebrow brush? Yes, but not just any eyebrow brush. It has a secret life. When your phone's ports get plugged up by dust, a simple Q-tip won't save you. But what will help you? It's a double-sided cosmetic brush. The soft brush will clean the dust off the small charging port, and the eyelash brush will get rid of the clutter inside the headphone port. Everything's all cleaned out. We didn't even have to call Mr. Proper. To get rid of those fingerprints on the phone, we are going to use some hydrogen peroxide. Clean the screen with a cotton disc soaked in hydrogen peroxide. The screen stays print-free for quite a while after this procedure. A glossy finish is guaranteed. Our next smartphone holder is made out of a binding clip and a suction cup. Fasten the suction cup to the clip with a rubber band. Attach the suction cup to the phone. This elementary 1-minute hack will free up your hands and securely fix the phone on the table. Cut a cardboard box. Using scissors, give the box the shape of a throne. Make a round cardboard base. Cut some thin slices of Eva foam and glue them to the throne. On top of the foam, glue some small plastic swords. Add some toothpicks. Paint it. We finally found out who is the real heir to the Iron Throne. What did you say, John? Winter is coming? No, it's almost spring. Isn't that right, Daenerys? Bored with your old case, but too attached to it to throw it away? We've got a solution for you. Use your old phone case as a soap tray. The excess water will drain through the opening for the camera, and it's very easy to clean. The headphones are in a mess once again. Just a moment, let's fix that. Take 2 sheets of felt of different colors. Using a paper template, outline and cut out 2 arrows. Place a flexible piece of wire between them and join with hot glue. An original pin to keep your wires from tangling up. Is it pouring tons of rain outside? Grab a piece of food film if you're planning on going out. Wrap the phone in film. The touchscreen works perfectly fine and the phone stays dry. For the next life hack, you need a phone and a piece of cardboard. Go over the device around the outline. Cut off the excess. Measure the thickness of the phone and cut off a strip of cardboard with the desired width. Fasten it around the edge of the workpiece. Put the phone in the case. Mark the location of the ports and the window of the camera. Cut them out. Cover the phone in thin strips of cardboard. The reverse side of the cover is decorated with a pattern. It all depends on your taste and imagination. Paint it in bright colors. An eco-friendly cardboard case is ready. Take care of nature and do it in style. So call me, maybe? Now for the next cardboard life hack. First, make a pattern for the future product. The large pieces must be exactly the same. Cut out a drawing along the outline with a paper knife. Cut off the excess. Bend the cardboard along the lines with a ruler. Fold and glue the joints with a hot glue gun. Cut out the sides with expanding bases. Attach them with hot glue. Squeeze out a strip of hot glue and attach a cardboard strip. Cover the craft with cardboard levers. You need a piece of a pink foam rubber sheet for decoration. Glue it on the box. Decorate with stars. Put your phone on the step and hang the headset on the levers like an old-fashioned telephone. Just like the old days. The stand turned out to be unusual and very comfortable. Hello, testing, testing! Retro communication works just fine and does not detract from watching your favorite channel. An ordinary silicone case is not interesting at all. Some self-drying modeling clay will help to make it more original. Wrap the case in tinfoil. Put the case on the foil and draw a huge ear around it. Roll the modeling clay out in the form of a sausage and lay it on the outline of the image. Smush out another piece of clay and fasten it in the middle. Make an ear shape out of modeling clay rolls. Paint them beige. Remove the foil. Place your phone into the case. Hello? Can you hear me? Yes, I can! Miss Big Ear will definitely not go unnoticed. And now, we will share a bright life hack for your power bank. Cut a piece of cardboard of the right size. Draw stripes. Cut along the lines and get rid of the internal seams. Fasten the pieces of cardboard to the power bank with hot glue. You will need napkins and Elmer's glue. Tear a napkin into pieces and carefully coat it with glue. Cover the paper layer with brown paint. A chocolate power bank is ready! Chocolate is useful not only for the brain, but also for your gadget. For this life hack, you need a phone and small dinosaur figurines. Use a knife to cut out slots in the figurines. Place your headphones in the notches on the dinosaurs' backs. A creative dino stand is ready! The cute dinosaurs hold your phone tight while you watch new videos. For this life hack, you need a sheet of dense cardboard and a wide rainbow elastic band. Measure out the desired length of the band, cut it off, fold the band into a circle and sew the ends. Do the same with elastic bands of different widths and colors. Stretch the elastic bands on the cardboard, placing them parallel and perpendicular to each other. Such a cute but simple organizer can hold your chargers, headphones, and even a power bank. Very convenient! For the next life hack, you need a narrow shoebox. Use a paper knife as the main tool. Cut out 4 windows and a wide slit. Cover the box with bright colored paper. Draw a rectangle at the end of the box. Cut it out. Place an extension cord with chargers and cords in the box. Pass the wires through the holes. Close the lid. No more tangled wires! Beauty and order! Next, print out a template of an ominous skull. Make cuts. Transfer the drawing to a piece of cardboard. Cut the skull along the outline. Make cuts according to the marks. Cover the workpiece with white acrylic paint. Draw black details. Insert headphones into the gaping eye sockets. Wind the wires around the skull. You get an Alexander McQueen-style headphone holder. Looks intense, but very stylish. For this life hack, you need a round plastic container. Make holes with a heated awl. Fasten pink ribbons to the holes. Cut a strip of foam rubber sheet to the size of the container. Wrap the container in it. Secure the edges with hot glue. Glue green leaves and roses, also made out of a foam rubber sheet. Decorate with beads. A holder for charging your phone is ready! Like this video and subscribe to Troom Select. And don't forget to click on the bell so you won't miss our new life hacks.